Have you ever wondered how the fruit juice you drink every day is made in a factory? From fresh fruits to sealed bottles ready for the market, juice production is a fascinating process that combines hygiene, technology, and precision. In today's video, we'll take you inside a modern juice manufacturing factory and show you the complete step-by-step process, from raw fruit selection to final packaging. So stay with us till the end to see how your favorite juice is made. The juice-making process begins with the arrival of fresh fruits at the factory. These fruits may include oranges, apples, mangoes, grapes, or mixed fruits, depending on the type of juice being produced. Only high-quality, ripe, and undamaged fruits are selected. Quality inspectors carefully check the fruits to ensure safety and freshness standards. Any spoiled or unripe fruits are rejected to maintain the best taste and quality. Once approved, the fruits are sent to the washing section. Here, they are thoroughly cleaned using large water tanks and high-pressure sprays. This step removes dust, dirt, pesticides, and any harmful bacteria from the fruit surface. Cleanliness is extremely important because it directly affects the quality and safety of the final juice. After washing, the fruits move to the processing line. Depending on the fruit type, peeling and cutting machines remove skins, seeds, and unwanted parts. Next, the fruit pieces are sent into crushing or pulping machines. These machines break the fruits into a thick pulp or extract the juice by pressing them. This is where fresh juice is first produced. The crushed fruit pulp is then passed through juice extractors. These machines separate the liquid juice from solid fibers and waste material. After extraction, the juice is filtered to remove any remaining seeds, fibers, or impurities. This filtration process ensures the juice has a smooth texture and clean appearance. To make the juice safe for consumption and increase shelf life, it goes through pasteurization. The juice is heated at a controlled temperature to kill harmful bacteria without affecting taste or nutrition. Quality control experts continuously test the juice for flavor, color, thickness, and safety. Only juice that meets strict quality standards is allowed to move forward. In this stage, natural flavors, water, sugar, or preservatives may be added, depending on the recipe. For mixed fruit juices, different fruit extracts are blended together in large mixing tanks. Everything is measured carefully to maintain consistency in taste across every bottle. Now the juice is ready for packaging. Automatic filling machines pour the juice into bottles, cartons, or pouches. Each container is sealed tightly to prevent contamination and leakage. Labels are applied with product details, such as flavor, manufacturing date, and expiry date. Before leaving the factory, the packaged juice undergoes a final inspection. Defective or damaged packages are removed. The approved products are then packed into cartons and loaded onto delivery trucks. From here, the juice is distributed to stores, supermarkets, and markets around the world. And that's how juice is made in a factory, from fresh fruit to the bottle in your hand. This entire process ensures hygiene, quality, and great taste in every sip. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing factory process videos. Thanks for watching.